Hello friends, here Dr. BC, and today in this video episode I will show you the quick review of Samsung Galaxy Note 4. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 4. For our previous video on this phone, please click on the link flashing on your screen. Now in this video episode I will show you the quick review of this phone. Now first of all, see the look. New look this time with new metal bezel. This make Note 4 a beautiful device and also strengthen the device. This phone has soft texture leather like back cover. This is very soft in touch. This give good grip to the phone. Note 4 has 5.7-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED display with 1440 pixel on width and 2560 pixel on length, which give total 1515 pixel density per inch. This is protected by new Gorilla Glass 3. This time the glass is curved as in Note 2 and S3, so screen protector will not settle throughout the display. Bad luck. First time Samsung come with greater than 2 megapixel front camera on their phone. This has 3.7 megapixel front camera with wide aperture of f1.9 with 90-degree capturing dimension. This give vivid and bright selfie on Note 4. Now you can take the selfie by using the heart rate sensor as a shutter button. Only you have to put your finger on the sensor and release to take the selfie. Now you can go wider with the selfie up to 120 by camera app just by panning the phone till all are in frame. That is good for taking selfie in certain scenario. Note 4 has 16 megapixel rear camera with optical image stabilization. Now you can shoot with stabilized video. You can shoot up to 3840 into 2160 Ultra HD movie with this phone. Almost same apps are on Note 4 as seen in S5 and Note 3. The new touch UI give a new look to the apps. The calculator is now having the white background. Also the dialer app having the white background and the video call icon is on the bottom. The gallery app is also updated. Now you can see the time bar. You can launch camera app directly from the gallery. Now you can search and also set what to display in the gallery. Now you can get creative with picture and videos. Now WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and Messenger are pre-installed on this Note 4. The voice recorder app is updated. With the help of 3 microphones, 2 on the bottom and 1 on the top, the phone capture audio from the 8 distinct direction. This is useful in recording voice in meeting, interview and lot of other scenario. The noise from the other direction is cancelled out, so a clear audio is recorded on Note 4. The multitasking in Note 4 is taken to the next level. Now multitasking become more powerful and easy. Easy in the sense you can do multitasking by popping up the application. Just go from here and drag toward the center. That application is panned down and now you can use any application sidewise. You can also minimize the app and also go with other stuff. When you want to return back, just tap the minimize icon and you can maximize by tapping this. Fast charging with the help of new charger. This will charge Note 4 from 0 to 50% within 30 minutes of charging. I am currently studying on such a feature. Let's see what technology they are using, either constant current or else. In spite of updated hardware and software configuration, the battery of Note 4 will deliver 7.5% more battery life as compared to previous devices. Note 4 also support ultra power saving mode. This is cool feature for this device in certain scenario. Note 4 comes with fingerprint reader that can be used to unlock Note 4 or other payment gateway. The fingerprint sensor is embedded in the home button. The S Pen of Note 4 is updated. The pressure sensitivity is increased. This gives natural pen-like feel. This pen now acts like a mouse. This is very useful while browsing. Now you can select item or multiple item with S Pen. As you can see that when you hover the pen, the item is selected. You can select multiple item by pressing the button and then dragging over that items. Same air command is open when you take out the S Pen. Same stuff, action memo, smart select, image crop and screen write. S Note app is now updated. Now you can use the application to take the note with new features. Now you can take the picture of your handwritten notes and S Note app will recognize the writing and convert into S Note, and here you can erase edit note. That is a cool feature. Note 4 is now updated with a new hardware feature. This has a latest Qualcomm Snapdragon quad-core processor 805 clocked at 2.7 GHz with Adreno 420 GPU. The other variant of Note 4 having Samsung in-house Exynos octa-core processor 5433 with 2 quad-core, one with 1.9 GHz with Cortex 57 architecture, another 1.3 GHz at Cortex 53 architecture. This Exynos version has Mali T760 GPU. This phone has 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage, which can be upgraded by external SD card up to 128 GB and also by OTG storage. This phone supports TV out from MHL 3.0 to connect the external display, which can also be done by wireless connection. The Bluetooth in this phone is also updated to the new version, that is 4.1, with A2DP, EDR and LE. This phone has NFC, infrared port, gesture sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer, UV, heart rate sensor and SpO2 sensor. SpO2 sensor calculate the oxygen level in blood. This is quite useful in certain workouts. The UV sensor on this phone senses the UV radiation in sunlight, that is good for protection against the harmful UV radiations. So you can see lots of new improvement in hardware and software in Samsung Galaxy Note 4. This completed the quick review of Samsung Galaxy Note 4. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to this video. The subscription link is shown on your screen. And for more videos on this phone and upcoming gadgets and technology, keep watching BCD Tech. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.